Did you know a Roman emperor was turned into a human stepping stool and then stuffed like a trophy? Emperor Valerian ruled the mighty Roman Empire, but in 259, he made a fatal mistake. Persian armies were invading Roman territory, so Valerian marched east to stop them. King Shapur of Persia offered peace talks near the city of Edessa. It was a trap. The moment Valerian arrived for negotiations, Persian soldiers seized the 70-year-old emperor. For the first time in history, a Roman emperor was captured alive, but Shapur wasn't done humiliating Rome. He paraded Valerian in chains across his empire like a circus animal. Whenever the Persian king wanted to mount his horse, he forced the Roman emperor to kneel down and use his back as a stepping stool. The ruler of the world's greatest empire, reduced to furniture. After years of this torture, Valerian died in captivity. Shapur had his body skinned, stuffed with straw, and displayed in a temple. The capture shocked the Roman world and proved that even emperors could fall.